Hi there, welcome to Digtronics. This is Amplifier-based automatic school bell timer. In the previous video you learn about how to start and program, and in this video we will learn about the mechanism of this. As you can see, this is the emergency siren button used in a matter of emergency, and to stop the siren, press the escape button, and the siren sound like. As the display is also helping you, let's press escape to stop. Now let's learn about the select mode option. This is used to change mode. There are 3 modes in the system: winter, summer and exam. You can change it by increase and decrease button and press the end button to enter the mood. The display is also showing the mode on the top to help you, by short form like SM or WDM. Next is the amplifier button. From this button you can on and off the amplifier. From below you can connect the mic and make announcements anytime. As you can see, whenever you start the amplifier the light will pop up, and you can start making announcement through the mic. And when you are done, you can off by the same button. The next option is auto/manual. As you all know, you can use this in 2 ways. One is the auto mode and another is the manual mode. In auto mode, there are some programs set by us which will ring as per the time set given by you. But in manual mode, there are some files shown in display, which you can change by increase and decrease button and choose. Like, let's play 44th file and see the demo. You can choose the file by the list given to you and play the sound. Now enter.
Period number 5.
Let me show you some other audios.
Good morning everyone, it's your assembly time. Please walk down to the assembly area. It's your lunch time. Enjoy your healthy food and stay fit. Lunchtime is over. Please get back to your classes. We are closed for the day. Hope you have enjoyed learning. Bye-bye.
You can also switch to auto mode anytime. There are lots of prayers and patriotic songs inbuilt in it, which are used in our schools. In fact, you can add song and voice too. There are total 99 songs, in which 66 are provided by us and 33 you can add by your choice. Even you can replace all 66 songs by your own songs too. I hope you understand it well. Thank you.